many blondes does it take to put on a shirt? One.
Skip to my Lou, my darling.
Hi guys, it's Lou. Welcome back to another What $100 Buys You video, where we go to some of our favorite stores, spend $100, and see what we got for it. Today's store, I'm pretty excited about. Now, I tried shopping on this website 10 or 15 times before I actually made the purchase. And I'll tell you why. I'm not ashamed to say it. I did not feel like the clothes were appropriate for me, mainly because I don't feel comfortable showing that much skin. It's just not for me. Anyway, I did end up finding $100 worth of stuff on Fashion Nova. I'm sure a lot of you guys have seen Fashion Nova ads. They are all over Instagram. Anyway, I've seen a lot of Kylie Jenner ads via Instagram, as well as Iggy Azalea. Yeah, they have those body types, and I believe the body type mostly for Fashion Nova shoppers is voluptuous in the bum area. And although I know that a lot of the pictures on the website, they can't be real. They can't. Nonetheless, I am actually very excited to dig in this bag and see how these things fit. I actually was told by my best friend's daughter, yeah, she's 16, to try Fashion Nova jeans because they fit the best. So yeah, I bought 3 pair of jeans. I do remember what's in this bag. Normally, by the time I do a video on the shopping that I've done, if it's in a bag that was mailed to me, I really have forgotten exactly what I ordered. But let's get on with it. Yeah, let's open this bad boy up. Come on. All right. I neglected to bring scissors into this room. It's very heavy, this bag. Ugh. I'm thinking it's the jeans. Oh, perdón. Okay, what I did, I'm pretty proud of myself. Like I said, I got 7 items. I got 3 pairs of jeans, 3 tops, and something slutty. I had to. I will never wear it. I'll keep it because I bought it. Maybe I will give it to a slutty friend of mine, but I don't have any. I am good. Light, medium, and dark jeans. We're gonna start with these 2. The darkest jeans and a girl vibes shirt. Okay, so all the jeans that I bought, size 9. That's my size in juniors. And I believe Fashion Nova is a juniors site. The brand for these jeans is YMI. Why am I trying on these jeans? I'm so scared that they're going to just be baggy in the butt, and oh, maybe not. They're stretchy. Okay, excuse me for a moment. I'm going to go put the whole thing on. This is a shirt that I would have worn very happily, how old am I? 20 years ago. Yeah, I would have, maybe 25 years ago. This is when, you know, baby tees were very popular, and I had a belly button ring, you guys. I fainted, actually. Anyway, let's take a look at these. They actually fit well, and they don't feel too tight. They're stretchy. These are fake right here. Fake pocket. There's from the side. There's the back. I'm not upset about the jeans. And I mean, the shirt, you know, it was cute. I like girls. Well, I like girls, but anyway, this sticker that was on these jeans say mid-rise 26-inch inseam ankle. I like where they land on my belly. I think I may have gotten some high-rise jeans out of the 3 pairs. Anyway, outfit number 1, Fashion Nova. Next. Okay, next up is we have some light jeans. Here are those. I like the bottoms. They look like they were folded for a good long time and then let out. And here's the shirt. It's a floral number. I just thought it was kind of cute. And now that summer's coming to an end, not sure how many more chances I'll have to wear that shirt, but all right. See you later. I'm gonna go this way. I kind of feel like I should be in Florida right now. So let's have a look. So I don't know, the jeans are super comfortable. They really are, and these pockets are real. The shirt, you know, I think together, I don't know that, you know, it's for me. I might wear this top with a pair of linen white flowy pants. These pants I could wear with, I don't know, just about anything. The butt is not great. It's long. There's my panty line right there. They're higher waisted than that first pair, and the bottom looks like this. I don't know. I kind of like them. They're straight, not skinny. So, like I said, shirt with different pair of pants, pants with pretty much anything else. I am tempted to go put on a pair of flowy high-waisted pants, but I'm not gonna. Last outfit, pants and top. So far, I'm pleased with the pants. I am keeping, so far, both pair. Let's see about this one. This is the medium wash. Ooh, pair with some little abrasions. And I have chosen to try that with this sweater material top. I don't know if this is ribbed or sweater. It's sweater-ish. Look at that. That's a little, you know, I'm not going to say it. Let's go give this a whirl. Okay, first I want to show you how dumb I am before I put the top on correctly. Lou. Okay, how many bonds does it take to put on a shirt? One. I will tell you that when I put this on, this part is already so tight, probably for those very tiny waisted girls that you see on the website with the big booties. Anyway, when I put the shirt on, I heard not a crunch. Oh, I was in the pocket. Don't eat this. A rip is what I heard. Some stitching or something. But there's the back of the top side. I mean, it's kind of fun. I would not wear this unless I had a pair of very high-waisted, probably black pants. But for the purpose of putting outfits together, I have paired it with some jeans that are a little bit roomy, and I'm happy about that, actually. I prefer comfort to looking good. Yeah, it's sad. Anyway, again, high-waisted black pants, perhaps. Let's look at the butt. Not great. I don't know if it's the pants as much as it is my shape filling it out, but these are my favorite pair of pants that I have tried on from Fashion Nova. Mostly because they're extremely comfortable. And the length is good. I could even roll them up like so. Whoa. Yeah, bring this down a little bit. I may need a belt for these pants. I do have an elastic belt, very 70s. The buckle is one of those that it fits in and clicks together, but they keep my pants up. So I think despite the sexy pictures that they have on their website, you can find, don't look at this while I'm saying it, I mean your chances of finding non-revealing things on the website are not as bad as I thought. Having said that, take a look at the last thing I'm going to try on for you guys. All the tops that I bought, size medium. All the pants, size 9. This is a dress, size medium. It's navy blue. Oh! Yeah. Check this out, you guys. Look at the Play-Doh fun factory that might happen when I put this on. Oh, I gotta do it right now. Okay. Oh, let's do the trick. Uno, dos, Trois. It's a nice dress. It is well made. It fits me pretty well. I mean, I don't want to say perfectly because I could have some more boobs in there to keep it up. That's how that fits. Oh, I have to get up here. Oh. I did it. There it is. I don't even know what to say. It's nice. It fits great. I bought it for fun. It's fun so far. All right. Let's close this video up. These pads in here are kind of slipping around. So, Fashion Nova. I'm just gonna say that I don't really know what my expectations were when ordering from Fashion Nova. I think I was expecting things to not really fit me, especially in the areas where I lacked some meat, but I was pleasantly surprised with pretty much everything that I bought at Fashion Nova. And I'm gonna say that I like it. The prices are great. I shopped sale, but even the non-sale prices were really good. I got my order very quickly, much quicker than I had expected. Fashion Nova gets a thumbs up from me. Anyway, that's it, you guys, for this video on what $100 buys you at Fashion Nova. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. I sure did. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't already subscribed but would like to be, please hit that button down below and you'll see me very soon with more videos. Bye, guys. Let's see what my husband thinks. Hey, babe, come here, please. Sexy, sexy.
Hey! Look at you.
That's it for this video.